Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at AI Max Pro EA. You've probably seen the big percentage numbers floating around, so let's slow down and actually look at what's being claimed. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. The developer positions it as a premium expert advisor for MetaTrader 4. On the page and the link my Myfxbook they push, the main selling points are the performance figures, roughly plus 283 to 284,000% gain, about 1.13% daily, and around 40% monthly, and a maximum drawdown of 2.66%. The account they show started with $200. Let me go there now and go into the mid, as you can see here, $200, and go into the mid 500,000 range, as you can see here. The profits of 579,000. That is a large number for a deposit of $200. The highlight that is running on the IC market is 1:500 leverage, fully automated, and they keep pointing people to that public Myfxbook link so you can check the numbers yourself. When they describe the strategy, they talk about an AI powered or adaptive algorithm that does medium term scalping, mainly on gold and indices like DE40, with some Forex pairs as well. You can see how that you keep on pushing Myfxbook results. They say it uses trend and momentum filters, avoids high impact news with a built-in news filter, and focuses on small but frequent profits. The entry and exit are handled automatically with predefined stop loss and take profits levels. They also emphasize that it is not a martingale or grade system, no averaging down, no stacking positions. Instead, they claim tight risk controls, limited trades per day depending on conditions, and the ability to run 24/5 once it's set up properly. That's the core of what they put forward, marketed as a modern AI-inspired system that stays disciplined, pauses around news, and aims for consistency rather than wide home run trades. Now, about independent testing, there isn't a separate detailed demo pack test for me to walk through today. So we're looking at the same public Myfxbook the developer highlights. There's no price on their home page, and they ask you to contact them directly for you to get the EA. They have their WhatsApp number, Telegram, and Telegram admin over here. To be honest, it seems a bit shady as there's no price on their home page. In my opinion, I rather see price on a product rather than having to message them directly. But looking back at my FS book, on the track record, the equity curve climbs very steadily with that tiny 2.66% drawdown. The volume is extreme, over a million lots traded, and the average hold time of 3 seconds jumps out immediately. Profit factor looks strong on paper, but the win rate stays low, while the average win is only a couple of pips. Historically, that combination has produced the big percentage numbers shown. Yes, it also tells you the edge is coming from high frequency and very tight target rather than large directional moves. The race to take is straightforward. Systems that live on 3-second holds and microscopic peep targets are extremely sensitive to spread, slippage, and execution speed. On a perfect demo field with high leverage, the numbers look clean, but in live conditions, those same settings often see the edge shrink or disappear once real market friction appears. The low drawdown figure is impressive on the tracked accounts, but it doesn't automatically transfer when latency or spread widens even a little. News filter help for the EA, yet the overall style still depends heavily on the broker environment staying ideal. Now, who is this actually for? Traders already understand high frequency scalping, run a solid low latency VPS, and use a true ECN account with tight spread. If you are comfortable monitoring its execution quality and treating the EA as one small piece of a broader approach, the historical track record gives you something concrete to study. Or if you are looking for a set and forget system that works on average retail conditions, or if you are running a prop challenge with strict trade frequency or lot size rules, this style usually creates more headaches than solutions. And that's the honest picture based on what is publicly shown. No guarantees, just the numbers and the practical implications. If this kind of breakdown helps, hit the like button so more people see it. Subscribe if you want more EA reviews without the hype. Drop a comment and tell me which robot you want me to dig into next. And don't forget the free MT4 and MT5 robots with plenty of indicators and candlestick patterns waiting in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.